Hi, and thanks for tuning in with the Teacher's Teacher. Today we're going to be looking at calculator hacks that you can use on your TI-Nspire calculator to help you master the Algebra 1 EOC STAR test. Today's video, we're going to be looking at expression problem. If you look at number 2, posted on the right, it says, which expression is equivalent to negative 28x squared plus 35x? Let's go through and highlight the important pieces. We see the word expression. We also see the word equivalent. And notice that there is one expression in the problem and 4 expressions in the answer choices. Remember, when we're looking for expressions that are equivalent, we're looking for expressions that are the same as. In order for two expressions to be the same, we are looking for their graphs to be the same as well as their tables. So in order to use a calculator, we will put in negative 28x squared plus 35x and f1 of x. We will put the answer choices in f2 of x, and we will compare their graphs and tables. So, to begin, you will click the Home button, New Document, and it will ask you if you want to save. You will select No, and then you will add a graph. Remember, in f1 of x, we're going to enter in negative 28x squared plus 35x. Press enter once you have entered that expression. In order to pull up f2 of x, you will need to hit the Tab button. In f2 of x, we will enter in the answer choices. The first answer choice is 7x times 4x plus 5. When you graph it, you will notice that the two graphs are not equivalent or the same. So now we can cross off answer choice F. Now let's look at answer choice G. In order to enter in answer choice G, you will press Tab and the up arrow, then we will change our answer to negative 7x times 4x minus 5. You will notice that when you graph it, the graphs are the same. So now let's check the table. In order to pull up the table, you will press Control T. A split screen will appear, and we will compare. Is f1 of x equivalent or the same as f2 of x? Well, 7 is equivalent to 7. Negative 42 is equivalent to negative 42. Negative 147 is equivalent to negative 147, and so forth. So we think that G may be the right answer. Let's go through and check H and J as well. Press Control T to get rid of the table. Press the Tab button and the up arrow. And now let's change answer choice G to answer choice H. 7x times 4x minus 5. So when you press enter, you will notice the graphs are not the same or equivalent. So we will press Tab and the up arrow and try answer choice J. Negative 7x times 4x plus 5. And again, you will notice that the graphs are not the same. So we have now eliminated answer choices F H, and J, and we have verified that the correct answer is G. Thanks for tuning in.